Hello, everybody. Welcome to Market Musings with Watanabe. My name is Princess Rasta, and today we are going to discuss about an interesting trading strategy, which is known as Zero Delta Straddle on Banknifty. Now, yesterday we had uploaded a video on Zero Delta Straddle on Nifty. So if you haven't watched it yet, then I would recommend you to watch that as well. And yes, stay tuned till the end because I have got something exciting for you, and trust me, you will love it. So yeah, now let's get started with the strategy part. So Options IQ shares all these trading strategies on a real-time basis. So to get access to that, all you have to do is subscribe to optionsiq.substack.com. Now the trading idea here is short at the money plus 100 put and call of Bank Nifty to the nearest 100 strike, nearest weekly for T plus 1, especially when 2 trading days are remaining for weekly expiry. So stats here says that since 2022 onwards, there were around 102 trades, out of which 73 were winners, which is a 72% of winning rate. The average expectation here is 31 points. Just by playing around the strategy, and if it's a winner for you, then on an average, you will make around 104 points. And if not, then you will lose around 152 points. Max win here is 286 points, and max consecutive wins are 12 trading days in a row. The profit factor is 1.65, which means for every $1 you lose, you could have made around $1.65. Now, looking at the current streak, we can see that 3 out of 5 previous trades were winners, and the last trade was also a winner. So do let us know whether it will continue its winning streak or whether it will snap its winning streak. Now, looking at the total points versus the benchmark, just by playing around with the strategy, you would have made around 3,141 points versus the benchmark of 11,060 points, which is roughly around 28% of the benchmark. Now, looking at year-wise profits, maximum profits was in the year 2022 and then followed by 2023. In a hypothetical scenario, if you would have started with a 10 lakh rupees of capital, then you would have made a CAGR of 10.6% with a maximum drawdown of 6.1%. Now, this was the performance for Zero Delta Straddle on Bank Nifty since 2022. But if you want to know how the strategy performed since 2016 onwards, like I mentioned, you will have to subscribe to optionsiq.substack.com. Now, yes, coming to the exciting part. So Options IQ along with Team Watanabe are running a 3-month live trading exclusive show with a capital of 25 lakhs, which is commencing from 29th of December. Now, what's all in store for you? So it's a 3-month exclusive Zoom session. So it's a bare minimum of time you will have to invest, like in the morning, around 10 to 15 minutes, and likewise in the afternoon, around 10 to 15 minutes. So whether you're a professional or a salaried person, then yes, this one is definitely for you. Now, not just that, but you will be able to learn on how to select the optimal options trading strategy for the day by assessing the current day's price action. Now, not just that, you will also get access to Options IQ Trading Strategy Alert, Asset Allocation Webinar, Do-It-Yourself Screener Webinar, and so on. Not just that, but there is also a weekly Q&A session for in-depth discussion. So it's not just all about trading, but it will also be about learning, which is very essential. And we are quite hopeful that by end of 3 months, you will be able to do trades on your own. Now, usually this entire package is for 24,999, but yes, like I mentioned, they are running an early bird discount, so it's available at 19,999. Now, do remember that this early bird discount is expiring on 26th of December, so make the most of it and gift yourself for New Year something very special. So yeah. That's it in the market musings from my side. I hope this video brings more value to you. And if it does, then do hit the like button. and subscribe to our channel for more such content. I will see you in our next video. Bye.